Travel around the world. Knowledgeable UK. Check these out. These books Mr. Slowy borrowed are almost overdue.
Then let's go return those books for him.
Whoa! It says right here that these books are from the British Library. It looks like we need to go to the United Kingdom.
The United Kingdom? Maybe there's a great treasure hidden there. Hey, please take me with you. It'll be so fun to travel together.
Okay then.
Let's go to the UK!
The United Kingdom.
Welcome to the British Library. I'm the librarian here. Please come with me, everyone.
Wow! There's so many books in here!
Please be quiet inside the library so everyone can enjoy reading. At the British Library, there are 14 million books. Not only are there books, there are also tapes, newspapers, maps, stamps, and videos. It is one of the biggest academic libraries in the whole world. Shh. Please come here so I can check in those books.
Oh, by the way, do you know if Mr. Slowy left anything here?
Mr. Slowy? No, but he told me that the clues are in these books.
I wonder how we'll recognize the clues that he's talking about.
Hello, little ones.
Huh?
Is there anything I can do to help you?
Mister, who are you?
This gentleman is a true genius. He has solved countless cases. I present to you the amazing detective Sherlock Holmes.
Wow, you're a detective. You're smart, so maybe you can find a clue for us.
Of course, this is an easy one. This is the clue. You see, the first letters of these 6 books form a word.
B-I-G-B-E-N.
Big Ben. That's a very popular British landmark.
Wow!
Then we better leave now so we can check out Big Ben.
Let's go! Why does his hair look like that? It's so unusual.
What you're seeing is not his hair. He has a hat on top of his head. They are the British Royal Guards. And what they're wearing is their official uniform. That distinct tall hat weighs more than 1 kilogram.
Oh, that's quite impressive.
Wait a minute, kids. Aren't you supposed to head over to Big Ben?
Oh yeah, that's right. You are not focusing on the goal. I'm going to get there first. You can't just leave like that, Wolfie. Wow, that's a huge clock.
This is the world-famous British landmark Big Ben. It was built back in 1858. It's 95 meters tall and weighs 13.5 tons. During the 60th anniversary of the Queen of England, it was renamed Elizabeth Tower.
I finally found the treasure.
Wolfie's already inside.
Now let's find out what's inside. Why are there so many tea bags?
Tea bags? Here in the UK, we absolutely love tea. Earl Grey, Darjeeling, Assam, and English breakfast tea are all of our favorite teas to drink. This box is definitely a treasure chest. Mwah!
Today, we had afternoon tea with Sherlock Holmes in the UK.
Good afternoon, Tibby. Good afternoon. Please sit down, Patty. I really want you to try some traditional British afternoon tea. Afternoon tea? That's correct. Traditional British afternoon tea starts at 4 in the afternoon. According to your personal preference, you can add milk or lemon slices to your tea. To go with the tea, people also prepare finger food and delicate desserts. Usually, sandwiches are placed in the bottom tier, scones in the middle tier, and a variety of desserts in the top tier. You start from the bottom and work your way to the top, from savory to sweet. So, when can we have our second round Would you like to try having delicious British afternoon tea?
England is full of valuable knowledge, full of culture. Big, big clock is the most famous, full of history. The weather in England often changes, sometimes sunny, sometimes raining. Afternoon tea, really elegant, enjoy together. England is full of valuable knowledge, full of culture. Big, big clock is the most famous, full of history. The weather in England often changes, sometimes sunny, sometimes raining. Afternoon tea, really elegant, enjoy together. England is full of valuable knowledge, full of culture. Big, big clock is the most famous, full of history. The weather in England often changes, sometimes sunny, sometimes raining. Afternoon tea, really elegant, enjoy together.
Did you like the song you just heard? We hope to see you again next time!